Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the government colleges faculty recruitment notifications, and from all over the India you may apply from any state. So here the opportunities are there to only post graduation and for the PhD candidates also. Here the consolidated salaries I mentioned here in this thumbnail. With PhD you will get the 60,000 rupees per month. With only post graduation you will get 50,000 rupees per month. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects whatever I am going to show you in this video. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your requirement in the comment section so that I will come up in the next video if I got the recruitments. Fine. So to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two different government colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Unacademy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the two different colleges here, the first one we're going to see is National Institute of Technology from Warangal. So this notification dated on 24th August 2021, and here we got the ad hoc faculty positions for the academic year 2021 to 22. And applications are invited for ad hoc faculty positions purely on temporary basis in the School of Management of NIT Warangal. And the qualifications required here are BTech and MBA or any graduate with first class MBA or the MCom. PhD is the preferred, but they are not telling that PhD is the mandatory. So if you are having the BTech and MBA, or else any graduate with the MBA or else MCom, so you can apply for this one. And the first class at UG and PG levels are required. Okay. And coming to the pay packages, the candidates who are having the PhD, okay, they will get the 60,000 rupees per month consolidated pay. And the candidates who are having the any graduation with the MBA or MCom, that means without UG NET qualification or also without PhD. So with only MBA or MCom, then you will get the 50,000 rupees per month. And the number of vacancies are 2. And coming to the general information, how to apply. Applications in the prescribed format enclosed with the scanned copies of certificates. That means the prescribed format is also there in this PDF. I will show you. Okay, should reach by email to the head of the Department School of Management NIT Warangal on or before 1st September 2021. That means that tomorrow is the last date for this one. The thing is you have to simply send the email, guys. That is application in prescribed format with scanned copies of your certificates. So please maintain the scanned copies of all these things in one single PDF and then mail them to this provide mail ID, that is som_HOD@nitwarangal.ac.in on or before 1st September 2021. And the name of the shortlisted candidates will be displayed on the institute website by 3rd September and interview will be on the 6th September. Okay, no separate call letter will be sent to the candidates. And the shortlisted candidates are required to attend interview on 6th September through video conference mode or else the Google mode. Further details will be shared and the selected candidates has to join immediately. That means there is an urgent requirement is there, so that you have to join immediately. And you need not to go to the NIT Warangal. So it is a online interview will be there through the Google Meet or the video conference mode. So by simply sitting in your home, you can attend this interview, guys. Okay. So application format is given here. So please check down. Download this application format and fill up all the details and then scan this one. And then the relevant certificates or the documents also scan and then send to the provided mail ID on or before 1st September 2021. Fine. And coming to the second college that I want to show you is the University of Hyderabad, Center for English Language Studies. So this notification released on 23rd August 2021. So employment notification for the guest faculty. So this University of Hyderabad invites application from eligible candidates for appointment of guest faculty during the semester August to December 2021 for teaching at the College of Integrated Studies, English 1. These appointments are purely on temporary basis for one semester. The guest faculty total 4 vacancies are there, ST1, SC1 and unreserved category 2. and here the English, okay, 1 semester CIS. And as per the university norms, the guest faculty will be paid honorarium of 1500 rupees per lecture, subject to maximum of 50,000 rupees by the UGC guidelines. Okay, and yeah, 10% or 20% for those with and without PAN respectively shall be deducted towards the income tax. So here the qualifications required: MA in English or communication with minimum of 55% of marks, and NET or JRF required, or MA in any area of English language studies or other allied disciplines with a minimum of 55% of marks, and NET or JRF, or PhD in English language studies or the English linguistics. Fine. And the desirable PGD TA or MPhil in English language studies or the English linguistics. And the TADA will not be paid for attending the interview or at the time of joining the post. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, out of the 1, 2, 3, any one of the qualification is enough. Okay. So that means here the post graduation plus NET or JRF qualification is required for to apply this University of Delhi. And the interested candidates may send their CV and scanned copies of the relevant documents and degree certificates and caste certificates to the email ID. Okay, headcels@uohyd.ac.in, and a copy to the silajup@uohyd.ac.in on or before 6 September 2021. Fine. So shortlisted candidates will be informed of the interview date after screening. So these are the two different recruitment notifications. One is for the English and second one is for the management. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And mention your, if your subjects are not covered here, mention your subjects in the comment section. So based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video. But because this video also I prepared based upon my previous comments. Few candidates asked the management related and few candidates asked the English related vacancies in the comment section. In the same way, if you put your requirement in the comment section, then based upon that one, I will come up in the next video. And to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, okay, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1, as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.